Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best tripod light stand is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any content creator, photographer, or videographer looking to elevate their lighting game and achieve professional-looking results without breaking the bank. It's the silent workhorse that ensures your subject is perfectly illuminated, transforming ordinary shots into captivating visuals that grab and hold your audience's attention, making it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about their craft. Number 5. UBeesize 12 LED ring light with 62 tripod. Experience superior lighting with our upgraded 12-inch ring light. It features 240 high-efficiency LEDs, providing brighter and more stable illumination than standard models, perfect for all your content creation needs. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 5 color temperature modes, ranging from warm to cool. Easily achieve the perfect ambience for any situation, reducing shadows and enhancing your clarity. This extendable tripod stand reaches up to 62 inches and can also function as a selfie stick. It's lightweight yet stable, making it ideal for various recording and photography scenarios. Achieve any desired angle with its 360 degrees rotatable head and adjustable phone holder. It offers incredible flexibility for portrait, landscape, low angle, or overhead shots. Our device holder is designed to be compatible with most smartphones, cameras, webcams, and even small tablets. You can easily connect your preferred device for seamless use. This comprehensive kit includes the LED ring light, tripod stand, phone holder, Bluetooth remote, and USB cable. It's the ultimate lighting solution for creators on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. What we like. This ring light offers a powerful 12-inch LED panel with more LEDs than standard models. Its 62-inch tripod stand is highly extendable and can even convert to a selfie stick. If you are looking for a versatile lighting solution that can adapt to various shooting needs, from tabletop to full height, and even handheld use, this is a great choice for content creators. What people say. Has 4 lighting options which others only had 3. The 12-inch is the perfect size. The adjustable height goes up to 62-inch, which is nice and tall for bigger projects. The radius of light is perfect, nice and bright with the option to dim the brightness. This ring light works well and provides bright, even lighting for video recording and live streaming. The setup is simple, and the tripod height is great for different shooting angles. The lighting itself is fantastic, offering a wide variety of light color options to get the perfect shot. The 62-foot tripod stand is really nice. I love having so many height options to choose from. It's incredibly easy to set up and folds down compact. Number 4. CAMBOFOTO 74 Aluminum Camera Tripod. Easily adjust its height from 20 to 74 inches, perfect for any situation. Whether you're capturing portraits, vlogging, or shooting outdoors, it adapts to your needs. Don't worry about stability. Its durable aluminum legs can securely hold even heavier equipment like DSLRs and mirrorless cameras without any wobble. Switching between your camera and smartphone is a breeze. It's designed for easy transitions, making it ideal for photos, live streams, or video calls. Capture stunning panoramas and dynamic video with its smooth, fluid head movement. You can achieve precise compositions without any stiffness. Weighing only 2.8 pounds and folding compactly, it's your perfect travel companion. It fits easily into your backpack for any journey, and a carry bag is included. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year after-sales service. We're committed to handling all repairs and replacements for any quality-related issues. What we like. This tripod is built with heavy-duty aluminum, offering exceptional stability for cameras up to 8.8 pounds. It extends up to 74 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of photography and videography. If you need a robust and reliable tripod that can securely hold heavier equipment like DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, and you prioritize stability for professional-looking shots, this is the one for you. What people say. The aluminum construction is lightweight yet strong enough to support my DSLR, mirrorless camera, and even my smartphone with no issues. The 360-degree adjustable head is smooth and easy to control, which makes framing shots a breeze, especially for time-lapse or panoramic photography. The adjustable legs and center column give me a ton of flexibility with height and angle, and it extends impressively tall at 74 inches. Number 3. JIANJIN 18 Ring Light Kit. Introducing the JIANJIN 18-inch ring light kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect photos and videos. This kit is designed for ultimate portability and professional results. With 416 high-performance LEDs and a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%, you can achieve the ideal lighting. Easily adjust color temperature from 2600K to 6700K to match any environment. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the ring light, a 63-inch tripod stand, phone clips, and a 2.4G remote controller. Everything fits neatly into a durable, multifunctional suitcase. The included suitcase can be hung on the tripod to lower the center of gravity, ensuring greater stability. Plus, a USB charging port keeps your phone powered up during long shoots. We've engineered this light with a CRI of over 90 for accurate color reproduction. Its 360-degree rotating lamp board allows for flexible positioning of your phone or camera. Trust in the quality of JIANJIN. We offer an 18-month warranty for peace of mind, ensuring you can create with confidence. What we like. This kit features a large 18-inch ring light with a high CRI for excellent color accuracy. A standout feature is its multifunctional suitcase, which neatly stores all accessories, including the stand. If you value portability and organization for your lighting setup, and want a comprehensive kit that's easy to transport and set up, this is an excellent option for content creators on the go. What people say. The light ring has been very practical for me to create good lighting in videos, photos, and video calls. It provides uniform light that helps improve image quality without generating strong shadows. I like that it has different levels of intensity, which allows you to adjust the lighting according to the need. It is easy to use, installs quickly, and is comfortable for daily use. The controls on the back are easy to use. The ring is huge, it's super bright, you can gradually adjust between blue to yellow light. The stand is really tall and much sturdier than the cheap ring light I had before. The 18-inch dimmable LED ring light kit is a game changer for me as I am a content creator. It delivers powerful, adjustable 55W lighting with a 6700K color temperature, perfect for flattering, natural-looking shots. The high CRI of 90 ensures true color accuracy, while the remote control and sturdy tripod make adjustments easy without disrupting your setup. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 ring light with 69 tripod. Experience lighting like never before with our innovative full-screen design. Its larger, round panel provides an ultra-bright, uniform fill light that can be adjusted to any angle for the perfect effect. Enjoy softer, more natural-looking light that enhances your features and protects your eyes. This technology ensures your skin looks radiant and your facial features appear more defined. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether you need warm, natural, or cool light, you can achieve the perfect ambience anytime, anywhere. This versatile tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made from durable aluminum to meet all your height requirements. It also features a standard 1/4 screw mount for easy attachment. Capture stunning photos and group shots from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. It's compatible with most smartphones, making it incredibly convenient. The rotatable phone holder securely grips phones between 2.49 and 3.74 inches wide. Easily take beautiful photos and videos from any angle, ensuring you always get the best shot. Perfect for a wide range of applications including video recording, live streaming, makeup, Zoom meetings, and photography. It's your go-to lighting solution for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like. This ring light boasts a unique full-screen design for softer, more uniform lighting that enhances facial features. It provides adjustable brightness and color temperatures to meet diverse needs. If you are seeking flattering, eye-protective lighting that makes your skin look natural and three-dimensional, especially for makeup tutorials or detailed close-ups, this light will help you achieve that polished look. What people say. The lighting itself is amazing, bright but still soft and flattering. It doesn't wash you out or feel harsh, and it really helps your skin look smooth and evenly lit. I love that you can adjust both the brightness and the color temperature, so you can get the exact look you want whether you're filming, taking pictures, or even on video calls. The tripod is sturdy and adjustable, so you can get the perfect height and angle. The rotating head and flexible phone holder make it super easy to set up exactly how you need it, and the remote is a nice bonus for taking photos without having to run back and forth. The light quality is excellent, and I really appreciate that it offers not only different color temperatures but also multiple brightness levels, which makes it easy to dial in the perfect lighting whether I'm on camera or taking detailed product shots. Number 1. ULANZI MT79 Extendable Tripod. Introducing the ULANZI MT79, the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. It offers incredible flexibility and a lightweight design, making it easy to use anywhere. This stand features a universal 1/4 screw, allowing you to easily attach fill lights, cameras, phone clips, and more. Its versatility ensures it can adapt to all your creative needs. Designed for life on the go, it's compact enough to hold in one hand and store in your backpack. Take it anywhere without hassle. Achieve the perfect lighting angle with its 180 degrees vertical rotation. This feature provides the flexibility you need for any shooting scenario. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy with enhanced leg grip, it offers exceptional stability. You can rely on it to stay steady, even during demanding use. This makes an excellent Christmas gift for anyone passionate about photography. It's a reliable tool that enhances any outdoor lighting setup. What we like. This light stand is exceptionally tall, extending up to 81 inches, and is remarkably lightweight for its size. It offers 180 degrees vertical rotation for flexible angle adjustments. If you need maximum height for overhead shots or to position lights precisely without a heavy setup, and prioritize portability for outdoor shoots or frequent travel, this stand provides the reach and convenience you need. What people say. It goes incredibly high and compacts down small. Build quality seems excellent as well. It's great for hand-holding a small on or off-camera flash, and I love how short it is and how long it can go. It packs up small, is lightweight, easy to extend and lock, and sits solidly on the ground. This is very well made and sturdy enough for what I am intending to use it for. It telescopes almost too tall for what I will use it for, but it is nice to know that I will have a little room if needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.